Have you ever had hiccups that won't go away for like 5 minutes? Well, consider yourself lucky. Meet Charles Osborne, the man who had hiccups for 68 years. His hiccups started on June 13, 1922. He was 29 years old. Osborne was preparing to butcher a hog in Union, Nebraska. He fell down. The minor incident triggered a bout of hiccups, but unlike most hiccups would end in minutes. Osborne's continued. Osborne is said to have hiccuped for 130 million times in his lifetime. Over the years, Osborne tried everything to get rid of his condition. He even resorted to experimental hormone therapy, but it seemed that nothing could cure him. One day in 1990, his hiccups suddenly stopped. Sadly, he died just a year later, at the age of 97, and the doctors never did figure out precisely what caused his lifelong condition.